Hey guys, this is Terry from Harmonic Forex. So welcome to week 20 of my Forex market analysis. This week I just want to run through a couple of trades that I've took during the week. So they are of this ABCD setups, which are pretty accurate and pretty reliable. So first and foremost, I want to show you guys my jackpot trade of the week, which is on the franc yen. I was talking to Scott Carney about this yen trade. He was the one who alerted me that a lot of these Japanese yen pairs, they have completed this ABCD pattern and they are poised to fall. So I took a shot on this franc yen at this 11470 level, and just happened that BOJ started to talk, and so lucky that I got this big ride down. I grabbed about 365 pips. On Friday, near to the close, it went down a further 150 pips, but I'm already out of the trade. So this is just one of the trade that I've took. The next one was dollar Swiss, where there was also a nice ABCD, and I took a trade right at this 97.20 level, and I'm riding on around 150 pips of profit at this moment. So this is just a simple ABCD pattern of the dollar Swiss. So I have a couple of losing trades too. I'll just show you my statement for the week. A franc yen long, no, it's franc yen short, 366 pips. I have a couple of small little losses along the way. Cat Swiss was a test of my patience. It went sideways for about 3 days, and I didn't want to wait anymore. And with about 500 to 600 profits in my pocket, I decided to cut it off at a small little loss. That's okay. This is just close trades. If you take a look at this, these are my open trades. I have a EURCAD shark buy about 4195. Now it's riding on 170 pips of profit, and I have dollar Swiss sell with 120 pips in profit. So EURCAD, it was a shark pattern to buy at 41.95, just around here. So I guess looking at this video, a lot of you guys might have questions about, how come you guys are losing in your signal service, but you might be profiting in your own trading account? So what I can only say is that I'm pretty sorry about this not releasing every single setup that I see that I trade onto the signal service. Currently my team is handling it, so sometimes we have to come to a consensus where the four of us have to agree on a certain setup before we can release it as a signal. But meanwhile, we have been trading for a few years now, and we do take trades on our own, and this was an especially good week for me. I just hope to replicate the same results going forward for all our signal subscribers. For the signal service, we are currently down about 20%. Last year overall, we were up about 30%, so it was a tough start to the month. I have to say a very tough 4 months for us, but trust us that we are gonna change things around here. We are gonna put out just 3 good trades, and we will be at break even once again. So give us some patience. I know that 4 months is a long time for you to wait, but I really appreciate all those encouragement that I get from you guys, and that keeps us going. We cannot control the market, but what we can control is our transparency and our accountability to you guys. And just before I finish off this video, I just want to share a couple of trades that I'm looking at next week. I hope that we can profit together, and yep, let's make it a good week for all of us. First one is on the pound dollar. Pound dollar, I expect the pound dollar to continue strengthening. Before it comes to 1.49, I will not be interested to short this pair. But in the lower time frame, I do see a potential shark pattern forming. If it comes down to the 1.4480 to 1.4490 zone, I might be interested to go long, potentially a big ride all the way to 1.49. So please keep a lookout for pound dollar. This is a shark pattern, a shark and a shark. No, a butterfly on a short, bigger time frame to short, a butterfly, and on a H1 time frame is a shark pattern to go long. Yep. Last but not least, I'm looking at 2 more for you. Gold has came back and retest this shark pattern short that happened in the middle of March. So it's very important what happens on Monday and Tuesday. If the market falls below this 1 to 80 zone again, I will be inclined to go short on the gold, but my gut feel is that dollar is gonna be weak, and commodities like oil and gold will continue strengthening. So this might be a failed shark pattern, which signals potential a big bullish move on the gold. Easily I can see hitting the 1350 zone. Yep. So this is gold. Last but not least, I'll talk about euro yen. We have this shark pattern completing around this 122 level. So we are still in this zone which is near last week's low. Is it last week? No, it's about 3 weeks ago the low. So we have to see what happens on Monday. If price starts to turn up from this zone here and it goes above the pink zone, we do have a long setup. This is a type 2 long trade on the euro yen, the shark pattern. So stay tuned, and this can be easily a 450 pips move. So stay tuned, and that's all I have for this week. Every Wednesday, what we have now is a webinar. So one of our guys, Sneha, Bunhui, me, or Scott, we will be taking turns to run through with you guys potential setups on the market using this software called Formation Seeker, which is the best software out there for harmonic traders right now. So if you're free, I'll put up the registration link on this video description. Please use that link to register for all our future webinars, and I hope to be there for you and to share with you guys the beauty of harmonics. So that's all I have for you today, and I wish you guys an awesome trading week ahead, and let's talk again next week. Great.